We brush our teeth every day, but how do we know the result? This video is sponsored by Oakland Electric Toothbrush for the best deep cleaning experience. Stay tuned till the end of the video because you really want to hear this. This is the W4000i. I stands for intelligent, I guess. I don't know. So this is the BenQ Cine Prime series. So this projector is good for movies. BenQ sent me this, I think it was yesterday, and I got it today. What else do we have here? This is the Android TV from BenQ. This is their dongle. This is the newest one, the QS02. There it is. So this is the US power cord. This is the US version. Nice. Heavy. Wow. Whoa. This is huge. What is this? Like a radiator? It is like a little radiator inside here. You see that? Oh, I've never seen that before. So that's for the cooling system. This projector must get really hot probably. Wow, this is quality. This is top quality right here. So the controllers are on the left side. That's the power, echo blank, menu, source, power, I mean everything. There's adjustments right here at the bottom. Look at that. So obviously you can also wall mount this projector or ceiling mount. Oh my god, look at all the sports. So ISI, ISF certified HDMI. Look at all those ports. Beautiful. So it does have audio return plus, so you can get Dolby Atmos with this projector. And I'm pretty sure like here is where you open this compartment. Oh, there's a, oh no, there's a, I need a screwdriver to open that up. Oh, there's a compartment right here. Let's open this up. This is probably for the zoom and the focus. Yes, look at that. That is for zoom and focus adjustment. Wow, this is really nice. 4K HDR. It also has lens shift. So this means that it's a lot easier when you're installing this projector. It has lens shift and it has zoom. So it makes things a lot easier to install. Okay, so that is just, the lens looks good. There's another fan right here in the back, and the speakers are actually, there's one right here in the rear. There's another fan right here. I mean, I don't rely on speakers from projector. They sound good, but they're usually very small. If you're using a projector like this, you probably have like a home theater space. Use like a surround sound system, right? That's what I would do. Wow, this remote control is nice. It's very slim, very lightweight. There you go. So it uses two AAA batteries. I still need to get those. I actually have batteries over here, but it's nice. I mean, it's very looks very simple, very easy to use. Now to connect the dongle, we have to open this compartment from the back. You need a screwdriver for this. Now here we have a micro USB cord that we power up the dongle. Okay, so it goes like this. Let me connect the dongle first to the HDMI port. Now we connect the little micro USB for power, and that's it. So another thing I like about this controller is that it has a backlight. Yes, you guys can't see it, but it lights up when you press any button. And this is great because normally we have projectors in a dark environment. So a backlit remote controller is excellent in that situation. Another thing I wanted to mention is that the dongle also includes a separate remote controller. It's a little bit smaller. Here's a side-by-side comparison. It's a little bit smaller, but this one is able to only control the dongle. But you also have direct access to, for example, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and guess what? Netflix is also available in this dongle, which is nice to see that finally BenQ added Netflix to their projector. All right, so for the screen, I'm using an ALR screen. This is an 80-inch. It's not that big. In my full review, I'm going to test it with a 150-inch Cine White But this is an ALR screen, which is great for reject ambient light. Oh wow, the picture looks fantastic. Even under ambient light, I think it looks great. I'm able to distinguish everything. Very colorful, very bright. I mean, this is rated at 3200 lumens, so you can expect brightness. But it is always suggested and recommended to use projectors in a dark room. So to set up the projector, you have keystone adjustment, which makes things a lot easier. There's also zoom available if you want to, and there's also the lens shift. Now, my personal recommendation is just to manually adjust the projector as much as you can to the screen. That way you don't have to use digital adjustments like keystone. So that way you get the sharpest picture available. Also, if you're planning on doing some gaming, you get the lowest input lag. Now let's go into the projector settings. Let's see what it's available right here. So we have picture. Let me zoom in real quick so you guys can see, have a better idea. All right, so in picture we have bright cinema. Let's go and see what other options we have. So we have bright cinema, cinema, filmmaker mode, and user. And then we also have fast mode is turned off. We also have all these other settings: brightness, contrast, color, tint, sharpness. Right now everything is out of the box. I haven't played around with this too much. I think the picture looks fantastic, but I'm going to play around with these settings throughout my review. Right here we have gamma selection, color temperature tuning. This is great for more calibration if you want to get deep into those color settings. Advanced color temperature tuning. There's even more options for advanced calibration. We have color management right here. Oh my god, you have so many options with this projector. Cinema master, I have this one, and color enhancer. Wow, so many adjustments. Yes, I'm just going through everything right now. Flesh tone, it's in the middle. I just wanted to show you how everything looks. Pixel enhancer 4K. I have this one in 5.6, so this will make the picture sharper. I'm going to leave it at 5 right now. I think it looks excellent. Motion enhancer in 4K. This is great for sports. In the middle. Right now I cannot see any difference, but I'm just going to leave it in the middle. Local contrast enhancer is also in the middle. So many options for your calibrations to just adjust this projector as however you like. This is light source mode. I have this one in normal, but there's also echo, smart echo, customize it, and normal. Usually I have this one in normal, so that way I can get a bright picture as well. And then there's also noise reduction. Over here we also have audio, where you sing the cinema sound, but you have music, game, sports, and then user. Or you can also connect this to your surround sound or home theater system, if just in case you want to do that. I will probably suggest to do that. Display, you can play around with the aspect ratio, auto source rename. There's also 3D support on this projector. I love that there's still 3D support on these projectors, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to test this. HDMI settings. So right here is when you can format HDMI, EDID. This is where you can make to control the other devices through HDMI. This is where you go to do that. And there's also 24p True Cinema. Let me turn this on for movies. This is excellent for movies to help to smoothen out the movies when they're running at 24p. So I turn this on right now, even though I don't need it, but I'm going to turn this on. And then this is for all the options for installation. You can projector position, to keystone adjustment, test pattern, high altitude mode, 12-volt trigger. This is great for 12-volt trigger, just in case if you have a motorized screen, you can activate it as soon as you turn on or off the projector. This is great. What is this? Network settings. Oh, okay, serial MAC access. This is to go. Oh, okay, so the projector has a network settings. Maybe this is good to update the projector. So here is the system, And I mean, this is color calibration, light source information, firmware update. You have all that information, and then right here we have finally the information from the projector. What are we getting out of this scene right now? So this is the picture that I'm getting right now out of the box from this projector. Personally, I think it looks fantastic. I love it. If you guys want to see something in specific, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be watching some movies. I'm going to play some video games with the Xbox, PlayStation 5. I'm also going to test 3D, see how it works. I'm going to watch a lot of HDR content. But so far, my God, I love it. Look at that brightness, look at that picture. And this is amazing. I love it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Joelster, and I'll see you guys very soon. Joelster out. So I have been using electric toothbrushes for the longest time, and I always get the cheaper ones from Walmart. And honestly, I didn't see much of a difference between this one and the regular toothbrush until I got this one. This is the X Pro Elite by Oakley. It has many features like wireless charging, 4 different brushing modes that can be controlled via OLED touchscreen. There is a built-in gyroscope that detects what areas you clean the most and what needs more attention. The battery can last up to 35 days brushing twice a day, and it has a powerful maglev motor with 42,000 RPMs. But my biggest surprise is how much cleaner my mouth feels after every use. Now I can tell the difference between a regular toothbrush and electric one. So check out the link in the description of the video where you can find more information about the X Pro Elite, how much it costs, and other features it has. Let's do this.